name is Quinn Fisher.
I'm Catherine Bolton.
I'm Charlotte Fisher. We live in Prairie Meadows.
I picked Homes by Tabor because they have a good reputation in the community. We researched a lot of builders before buying a house, and they seem to have continually the best reviews, the easiest buying process. I wanted all of our kids to be together upstairs. We picked the Korbyn Bonus Room, and that let our girls share a room and Quinn have his own room with his own bathroom, which he was super excited about. But I kind of put the kids upstairs and then us downstairs, which is what I was really looking for. It was easy. They made everything very streamlined. What I really like is like the walkthroughs before and then at 30 days and 60 days. The mortgage application process was easy. Everything was very streamlined. It was really not as much work as my last house, actually. My favorite thing is all the finishes and again, having the floor plan that I wanted the most. The kids upstairs and us downstairs.
The big playroom thing. I didn't realize I liked this much.
The playroom upstairs?
Yeah.
I
Like
really,
a movie theater.
We made our movie theater. I like the big windows that open, the doors that are windows that open up onto the back porch and they essentially double the living space.
I like the windows in my bedroom, how I can actually open them, because at our last house it was really a struggle.
The warranty department's been excellent. We've had just a couple of issues and they have immediately reached out, fixed it, whatever it was, had the company call us, 0 complaints. They've been exceedingly responsive, very happy.
Oh yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes, we would, definitely.